Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Kia Optima LX, stock number E1832P. 53,000 miles on this one owner. Clean Auto Tech history report. Ebony Black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull of the handle on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, large, easy to read gate, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large, easy to operate touchscreen display for radio. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is.
On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
Heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Optima has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 185 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and a city average of 35 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Optima, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.